welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little of comparison between vanilla JavaScript and React. How do we display our data from to the DOM? So let's get started with by making a new folder. Call it whatever you want, but I'm gonna say vanilla JavaScript. Let's open it up. Okay, let's open it up. Vanilla JavaScript. Okay, now let's get index.html. We need that, and that's all we need. And then app.js. Oh, wrong one. App.js. Okay, so we need these two files. Now let's just put something displaying data. So we're not going to be using any of CSS, all those fancy stuff, but we're not doing it today. Okay. Let's first connect the JavaScript file. Okay, so we want to display a data like this, right? Let's just say we have p, a name here, when, etc., like that, something like that, right? To display that, okay, let's go to JavaScript. Let's write in some code. We're gonna do data of people. It's gonna be an array of object because we're gonna be having different people here. First one is let's just do name. Okay, full name, call it John Doe, and then do that. It's gonna have an age of 25, and then what else do we want? That's all we need for now. And let's copy this down for another person. It's gonna be Jane, Jane Doe, Mary Doe. It's gonna be 30. So it's gonna be 28. Let's add gender for this one. Right, so it's gonna be female. This one is gonna be male. No, so this is gonna be female. Okay, so we got all those data, and let's see what we have. Data of people. Okay, we got this object. All right, now how do we display it here? That's the question. Now we gotta have something to where we display it to, right? We're gonna call this a result. We're gonna grab this class, put it here, const result equals documents dot query selector result. Result, and what do we want to do with it? First of all, we need to loop it for each person. Call it person, right? Make more sense. And then we're gonna need to let output equals that. And then this is what we do here. Output, add it to that backticks, and then so let's see what this returns first, okay? So you guys can see what's happening. So console.log person, we want, let's just say first name for now. First name, oh, just name, my bad. So we got Jane Doe, John Doe, Jane Doe, Mary Doe. Okay. Now we wanna put it to output backticks, and inside is gonna be person dot name, and then or age or gender. So that's console, not console. We're gonna get the result dot inner text or HTML output. Okay, that's what we got, like John Doe 25 male, right? So that's how we got it. It's pretty simple, right? It's pretty simple, but it's kind of like a lot of work. Like you do this, you gotta put this and grab it from here, and then add it here, put it in here, and then append it here. So it's kind of a lot of work. Now let's try to see what we can do with React. Welcome back. So we're gonna be doing like how to display data using React now, so you guys could see the difference between vanilla JavaScript and React. See which one you want to use. Let's get started by copying this. Let's go to our terminal. Bam, paste that. I'm gonna call it display React display. Right, and then we're gonna cd into that. After it's done, give it a couple seconds. That it's done. Now that it's done, let's cd into that React. I call it React display. cd and just code. If you have that extension, I don't. Now what do I need to do in order to fix that? Code. Let's code, install it, denied. Oh gosh. Okay, whatever. Where is that at? Let's find that folder. Yo, I don't even know where I put it. What's happening? Man. Application, see where I put them. Oh gosh. It's not here. It's not there. Let's open it up again. React display right here. So I found it. Bam. Public. Let's go to source app.js. Let's run this. Come on, man. Okay, npm start. See what we got here. Okay, we got this fancy stuff from React we get. So when you start it up, it always looks like this from React. This is where it comes from, right? Added, etc. But these are not important right now because we're not learning React. I'm just showing you how certain information are displayed. So I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, gone. Class name, gone. Okay, h1. Display data. Okay, that's what we got. Now let's just say we have some like data, right? Let's go here. The same data. So const data of people. Bang. We can go like that. Like that. Data of people. Got our data. And then we're gonna not console. So name is John Doe. Age is 25. Gender is male. That's what we got. 3 people, right? This is Jane Doe. She's female, probably 30. This is 28, female as well, Mary Doe. So that's what we got, right? How do we display it from here? Let's see. This is how we do it in React. We do that data people dot map, call it person, or this, because this returns a value, paragraph, and then person dot name.